Hey, David here with the Barbecue Lab, bringing you the best outdoor cooking gear and techniques to help you win your weekend. If you've been following new products in the barbecue world, you've probably heard of Luftleiter, who is taking the world by storm and making charcoal grilling an easier option for any night of the week, and no longer just for the weekend. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Luftleiter and the brand new portable Luftleiter that is aiming to change the way we light charcoal, coming up. Hey, I'm here with Kevin from Luftleiter, and Kevin, you have a product that's kind of revolutionizing the way that people light their charcoal. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Yes, we started in 2004 looking for a better way, a quicker way, a cleaner way, and a greener way to light your fireplace, your charcoal, etc. So we came out with the Luftleiter Original. And it was kind of an accidental discovery based on a hair dryer and a curling iron, and just tonight here, our owner in Sweden, Richard Luften. So the way it works is you have a heating element and you have a fan. So you light it and it gets hot. It's hot right now. You touch it to the charcoal and you wait to see it turn orange, which usually takes, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. And once that's done, the fan kicks on and it lights it. You don't get dirty, you don't have any chemicals, and you don't waste any time, and you're set to go and barbecue your food or your fireplace is lit or whatever. You see it pulls back when you do that, and it's super hot, super hot. So, fast forward to this year, and we decided that the biggest thing now is to make it portable. People want to go camping and RVing, and they have a big piece of land and they need to burn stuff. So we came out with the Luftleiter X. It runs on a 36-volt rechargeable battery. Very simple. Has a safety switch. You hit the safety switch, push the button, comes on, turns red. And you go in here. It's on a 60-second cycle. You see it's starting to spark now. Cast iron super hot. There we go. Once you see what you hear there, you got the sparks going. It's going on the fan. You can now pull it back. You can stoke the fire. Barbecue's lit.
If you're getting value from this video, be sure to hit the like button for us. All right, back to the content. So basically what you're doing is you're enabling people who want to cook with charcoal on a weeknight, which is, let's be honest, I mean, charcoal is not usually a weeknight thing.
It solves that problem for sure. A lot of people, you say, would you rather have a charcoal grill or a gas grill? It's gas, because it's pushing the button, it starts. I don't like the way it tastes. I much prefer charcoal, but I'm in a hurry, it's during the week. You know, this kind of eliminates that. You can get it started. If you take this and you want it to be ready to cook in 5 minutes on charcoal, you just use this a little longer, make sure it's orange all the way around. You're done. You're cooking faster really than you can on the gas.
Wow. So whether you want the corded model or you're looking at the cordless model, where can they find out more information about Luftleiter?
They can go to luftleiter.com, see videos, learn about the history of the product, all the uses for the product, and go from there. YouTube channel has plenty of videos. Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff.
So in other words, you're everywhere.
You're everywhere.
All right. Hey, Kevin, I appreciate you taking the time to come and introduce yourself to our audience. If you want to find them, go check them out online, gang. Question of the day. Are you currently using the Luftleiter to light your charcoal? If so, which model do you use? Let us know in the comments section below, as well as your thoughts on this new portable loop lighter that's getting ready to hit the market. And if you want to check out some of our other coverage from the Barbecue Expo, we've got a whole playlist out. We'll link it up in the YouTube card as well as the description below, and I'll see you next time right here on the Barbecue Lab.